In today's video, I'll show you how to change the text background in Microsoft Word. This is a simple way to highlight important information, make your document more visually appealing, and improve readability. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is ready, select the text that you want to apply a background color to. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text. Now, go to the Home tab on the top menu. Look for the Text Highlight Color button, which usually appears as a marker icon. Click on the drop-down arrow beside it to see different color options. Next, choose your preferred color. As soon as you click a color, the selected text will have a background highlight applied to it. This is the fastest and most common way to change the background of text in Word. If you want a more solid or customized background, you can use the shading feature instead. While your text is still selected, go to the Paragraph section in the Home tab, then click on the shading icon, which looks like a paint bucket. From there, select a color. This will apply a more solid background behind your text, which is useful for creating labels, headings, or styled sections. You can also remove the background anytime. Simply select the highlighted text again, click the Text Highlight Color drop-down, and choose No Color. For shading, click the shading icon and select No Color as well. Take a moment to experiment with different colors, but remember to keep your document clean and easy to read. Avoid using too many bright or clashing colors. And that's it! You now know how to change the text background in Microsoft Word using both highlight and shading tools. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.